Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And GoPro put out their new promo video for the GoPro Hero 7 Black version. There's 3 versions, but it really looks like if you want to get the best stabilization, the Hero 7 Black is going to be the way to go. And I had trouble finding a link. Finally, I found it. I'm going to put it in the description. So if you want to get more information and order it, you can. And it looks, as you can see here, it'll be released September 30th when it will ship out. And they'll have additional protection plan. But the stabilization looks really awesome. And I was checking out some other reviews, and someone had commented that they've been using this versus their high-end camera for doing their videos over the past week, and you wouldn't have been able to tell the difference. So I'm really excited. I've never owned a GoPro camera. It's going to be great now for my hikes, my reviews, and other videos, but wanted to just let you know that they put it out in case you were not aware, and you can get it pre-ordered. I'm going to get mine ordered, and you could see here with all the information what's included with the 7 versus the with the black versus the, I think, the silver and white. So there's going to be quite a bit more offered as far, especially in 4K. It's going to offer 4K 60 frames versus 4K 30, and then the white is 1080p 60. So there you go. Check it out. You can get it ordered. Love to see what others think of this new version. But for me, not having any GoPro camera, this is definitely the way to go. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.